99.9999% of people who are in those refugee communities who are law-abiding, their interests are not hurt by one or two criminal elements who may use this noble space to infiltrate the refugee community and to cause a threat to our national security. We will work through our Department of Refugee Affairs, UNHCR, and all the other partners. Our security agencies will work closely with the refugee communities to help us to have better surveillance and better management and better oversight to make sure that the interests of refugees are not hurt or damaged by a few criminal elements who would like to infiltrate refugee communities and the host communities around refugee hosting areas to cause threats to our national security.